What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're checking out the Merach Novarow R50 air resistance rower, which many are calling the best budget alternative to the Concept 2. You know, I'm all about budget-friendly, high-quality equipment that delivers the most value for your home gym setup. So in this video, I'm putting it to the test. We'll take a close look at the build quality, performance, comfort, and key features to help you decide whether this rower is the right fit for your home gym. Let's get started. The Merach Novarow R50 arrived well packaged. Everything was secure and protected, with the frame, flywheel housing, and seat sections wrapped in thick foam and plastic. The assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. All tools are included, and the manual walks you through each step clearly. One thing to note is to watch your fingers when connecting the main frame pieces. There are a few pinch points to be mindful of if you're not careful, and it's recommended to have 2 people handle this step to ensure a safe and smooth connection. Once assembled, the R50 looks clean and professional. The iron and aluminum frame feels heavy-duty. The air resistance flywheel looks premium with its 32-blade fan system, and the entire setup feels stable. Right away, the seat and handle ergonomics stood out, and Merach claims the seat is softer and more ergonomic than the Concept 2. And while I haven't used the Concept 2 seat myself, I can say this one is extremely comfortable, even during long rowing sessions. Fully assembled, the Merach R50 measures in at about 95 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 40 inches tall, supporting users up to 6 foot 10 inches tall, and a weight capacity of 350 pounds. It's powered purely by air resistance, no plug required, which I really appreciate, especially after just reviewing an air magnetic rower that relied on both power supply and air flow for resistance. Not having to worry about outlet placement is a big plus here. And when you're done working out, it folds down into a compact, lightweight footprint that's easy to tuck into a corner, folding to about 32.7 inches long, 28.7 inches wide, and 54.25 inches high. Overall, it's a space-efficient rower with a sleek design. The LCD screen, powered by 2 AA batteries, lets you track all your key workout stats in real time. You'll see your time, split per 500 meters, distance, calories, strokes per minute, watts, and total strokes, all displayed clearly to keep you on pace throughout your workouts. Now let's talk about how it performs, because I feel that this is where the R50 really delivers. It uses a professional-grade air resistance system with 32 fan blades and 10 adjustable resistance levels, offering up to 110 pounds of tension. That means the harder you row, the more resistance you feel, giving you that natural rowing experience similar to the Concept 2. The motion feels smooth and consistent thanks to the nickel-plated steel chain and the vented ergonomic handle. Feels solid and comfortable during intense sessions. The seat glides smoothly, which was expected. The foot pedals are adjustable and come with secure straps that allow for flexible ankle movement while keeping your feet firmly in place. And the frame feels solid even at higher stroke rates. During use, the airflow produces a smooth whoosh sound. It's not silent, but it adds a really nice element that makes your workout feel powerful and engaging. Here's what it sounds like. The R50 connects to the Merach app via Bluetooth, giving you access to guided classes, scenic routes, and challenges, and it also supports KinoMap. Now, I haven't used the app much myself since the LCD display provides all the workout data I need, but the 3D map mode looks like a fun way to make workouts feel more immersive, features typically found on higher-end rowers. Alright, let's go over some standout features. Best budget Concept 2 alternative. It's comparable in size, sound, and performance to the Concept 2, delivering impressive quality at nearly half the price. Professional air resistance system, smooth and responsive with 32 fan blades and 10 adjustable resistance levels that deliver a consistent, high-quality rowing experience. No plug needed. powered by 2 AA batteries, use it anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Simple, convenient, and easy to move around your home gym. Upgraded seat. Features a softer, ergonomic seat design made from sweat-wicking material that's firm yet comfortably soft, providing excellent support and breathability during long rowing sessions. App connectivity. The R50 connects to the Merach app via Bluetooth, which offers guided workouts, 3D scenic routes, and other advanced features. Now, I haven't used the app much myself, as the LCD display provides all the workout data I need. Solid build quality. This rower combines a heavy-duty steel rail for a stable, smooth glide, a lightweight yet rigid aluminum frame that's sturdy and resistant to corrosion, and a nickel-plated steel chain, the same style used on premium commercial rowers. And finally, easy storage. Detachable design with built-in wheels for easy maneuvering, and a lighter frame compared to other rowers I've reviewed, making it simple to move and store without sacrificing quality. Alright, for pricing, the Merach Novarow R50 typically retails between $480 and $750, depending on promotions. Now, this is where Merach really stands out. You're getting near Concept 2 performance, excellent build quality, and app-driven smart workouts at about half the cost. And I'll put a link in the description so you can check out current pricing. So, after spending some time with the Merach Novarow R50, I can confidently say this is one of the best value air rowers on the market. The resistance feels high quality, and the airflow produces that satisfying, consistent whoosh sound that gives it a premium feel. It's powerful, comfortable, and smart, all without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to the Concept 2 that still delivers a professional-grade rowing experience, the R50 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more home gym equipment reviews. I'll see you in the next one.